Good morning, sunshines. We are back with another Let's Learn. I'm super excited. Now, the last 2 weeks we've done little motifs. We're doing the same thing today. It's a little one. It's actually on page 132. It's called the Cranesbill Lace Square. There are only 4 rounds. Now they do have a special abbreviation, which is the bobble. The bobble, they term it as work 4 double crochets into the same space, leaving the last loop of each on your hook, yarn over, and draw through all loops on the hook. Now I'm gonna be honest with you, that is a double crochet 4 together. They want to call it a bobble. I'm cool with that. I am freaking cool with that. So, bobble it is. And listen, if you have not got this book yet, this 500 crochet stitches, the ultimate crochet stitch Bible, I'm going to leave the link in the description below because it is a phenomenal book with so much information and so many amazing motifs and edges and stitches and so many things to work out of this book. So click that link in the description below and go get yourself a copy because why not? Like, wow. This book is amazing. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and hop in and work on this Cranesbill lace square. Okay, so for the ring is, oh goodness, here we go. We're starting off great, y'all. Starting off great. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then slip stitch to make the ring, and then we chain 3 and double crochet 2 together, which counts as a bobble. 2, 3. There's 1, 2. Okay, that counts as a bobble. Then we chain 3, bobble into the ring. We do that 7 times. Now they say that a bobble is 4 double crochets into the same space, leaving the last loop of each on the hook, yarn over, and draw through all the loops. So basically they consider a bobble to be double crochet 4 together. So we're going to do that 7 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Oh, all right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Ow. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. We need 4 more of these little bobble thingies. I'm going to go ahead and do these bobbles and I will meet you right back here. Okay, I was mistaken again. So for the purpose of at least this row, a bobble is going to be 3 and not 4. I don't know why it didn't just say that. I honestly don't know. That is so strange because it says 4 double crochets into the same, but the diagram says 3. I'm not really sure. We're just gonna roll with the diagram. It's fine. We're fine. I was wondering how that was all gonna work with 4 because it wasn't gonna fit. Oh, man. Okay. I'm gonna have to cut all of this out. 2, 3. Okay, so there is our first bobble. Chain 3. And we'll do the next one. We do this 7 times. Okay, so there we have the first bobble that we did. and then 3. We need 4 more of these, and I will meet you right back here. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This makes 8. We're gonna chain 3 and then slip stitch to the top of this bobble, the first bobble anyway. Okay, so that is the end of round 1. So round 2 says slip stitch into the center of the chain 3, chain 1. Okay, it says chain 1, 1 single crochet into the chain space. There, okay, there we go. Then it says, and this is in brackets, chain 5, single crochet into the next space. We do that 7 times. And then at the end, we chain 2 and 1 double crochet into the next single crochet. All right, so we chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 single crochet into the next space. Got it. Oh, shoot. Hello, tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're supposed to do this 7 times, so 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I get it. Oh my gosh. I totally get it now. I love it when a plan comes together. Okay. So this is our last single crochet. And then instead of doing chain 5, it says to chain 2 and then do a double crochet into this first single crochet. And that puts us right in the middle of the chain 5. How freaking awesome is that? Okay, so that is the end of round 2 rather. Round 3 is chain 5. Let me just read the whole thing. Chain 5, in brackets it says bobble, chain 3, bobble into the next space. Chain 5, 1 single crochet into the next space. Repeat from, okay, this chain 5 starts the asterisk. Okay, so chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the beginning of the asterisk. Then after the chain 5, in brackets, it says bobble, chain 3, and bobble into the next space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, bobble, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and do another bobble. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 single crochet into the next space. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's when we repeat. Alrighty, I think we got it. Oh. Quit, I'm getting twisted. Don't get it twisted. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull it through, chain 3, and do 1 more bobble. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single into the next, 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, bobble into the next, or bobble 2, 3, 4, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, another bobble. So this is making corners, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be cute. And single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a bobble corner is what I'm going to call it, a bobble corner. 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Another bobble. 2. Oh, Marty. 2, 3, and 4. Okay. What did I do wrong? Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then, oh no, again, chain 2. Oh, that's what I get for getting ahead of myself. Okay, chain 2, and again, double crochet from this double crochet, which again puts us in the middle there. Okay, so for round 4, which is actually the very last round, this is an easy one. Okay, it's a tiny one. We chain 5, single into the next space, chain 5, 1 single crochet, chain 5, 1 single crochet into the corner, chain 3 space, chain 5. So basically, that's all we're doing is chains and single crochets all the way around. So, okay, let's do this. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single into the next space right here. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then into the chain 3 space, we do a single crochet, chain 5, and another single crochet in that same space, chain 5, single, chain 5, single, chain 5, and then in this space we do single, chain 5, and single again in that same space. And we're going to do that all the way around, and I'll meet you right back here. Okay, so here we are. This is where we started this round, and it says, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we end here, and then it says slip stitch into first, and that's it. That's it. We're done. Holy cow. This one went way too quickly. It's tiny, y'all. That only 4 rounds is really freaking tiny. Okay, so that's it right there. It really looks like it needs to be blocked. It's so pretty though. That's it. What do you think? Let me go ahead and sew in my little ends, and I will be right back to talk.
Okay, so that was fun. Y'all, it is so tiny. Look at how itty bitty. Like, seriously, it's beautiful. I actually really, really like this. And I would definitely do a top with this Cranesbill lace square. But let me show you. I don't know if you can see. I feel like I should have something over my head because it's so tiny that it just doesn't. Ah, there we go. It's so pretty. So freaking pretty. What do you think? Did you do the stitch with me? Not the stitch. I guess I'm so used to saying stitch because up until a couple of weeks ago, we just did stitches and now we're doing motifs and we're going to, dive into other parts of the book as well. But what would you use this for? Because I would definitely use this as like a ruana would be really pretty. A shawl would be beautiful. Honestly, I would make a whole top out of this because, like, yes, I would. It's really pretty, and it's only four little bitty rounds. So I'm digging it, and I'm gonna see you next week for a new one. Bye now.